Hi there, everyone. Welcome to this channel again. Yet this is another episode that I'm doing so that we can extend the knowledge in design to make work easier, to educate, inform, to at least share the knowledge that we have with the public outside there. This is the second episode of this series, The Loop. The Loop is a design series, technology and information. So we'll be doing series of videos every week, at least maybe 2 or 3 videos depending on our availability. So today I just first of all, when you're here, I suppose you already subscribed to this channel, and if you've not yet subscribed, I humbly suggest you do that before we continue, so that you don't actually get to miss out in the future episodes that we'll be uploading here. Because I just promise you that this is just going to be a very informative series of design tutorials, very short and precise. Anybody can learn, anybody can do this kind of designs that I'll be sharing with you here. So with all that, too much information in the intro, let's cue the graphics. So today the previous episode, and if you've not watched it, the link is in the description below. Also, there is a card above on the left corner, I believe, on the screen, so you can watch that particular video as a follow-up. This one, I just decided to concentrate on one online design tool that is for free. The one that it's actually not fully free. There are some features like when you want to use premium pictures, you'll have to buy those pictures. There are some icons, logos that if you want to use them, you'll have to pay. But if you wanted to use it for free, those particular features, you just have to disable them or avoid them totally. So I wanted to share with you an introduction of how to get started with Canva. And then maybe we can do maybe 2 or 3 different designs as an example. I've chosen we will do social media designs. I'll think forward. I'll think as I continue recording this particular episode, which social media platform I'll prefer to go with. But most probably Instagram or Facebook, one of them we're going to share because the knowledge is actually going to be equally applicable for all the other platforms. Maybe the dimensions and the precise measurements on the platforms that will be different. So when you come to the website, it's canva.com. You just canva.com, like canva.com, and then you will be prompted to this kind of screen. The login screen, it's canva/login.com. You'll see the templates, but here now you have to just see when you click login, then it will give you these options. So it will prompt you with this screen of choosing to sign up. You can sign up with Google or Facebook, or if you already have an account, you can simply log in. So I want to use sign up with Google, and I will use an account here, and then we'll continue and see how it will be. So here you will be given this kind of sections depending on your qualification. I don't know, is it qualification? Depending on your occupation, the field that you're working in, you can either be a teacher, student, personal, a small business, large company, non-profit, because Canva is at all level, from beginners up to professional level. People still use this kind of application. It is an online free platform that anybody can use for as long as you have internet, stable internet with a computer. This is maybe one of the things that makes it faster, because let me not go there. Let's continue. So we have teacher, student. So me, I will just use maybe I'll just click personal. I'll use it for personal. try it for 30 days. So just do it for 30 days. But okay. So here we have it will prompt you with that, try for 30 days. And then you'll see this kind of screen which has Instagram, logo, poster, invitation, animated posts, different samples. You can even do short videos, you can do Facebook covers, you can do a lot. So from up to this particular juncture, we've seen how to set up. We have set up the account, we have an account, we have logged in, we are actually inside the home screen. So I'll just use an example of Instagram post, which is 1:1 aspect ratio, 1080 by 1080 pixels. When you click on it, it will take you to this, and then there is this tour that you learn. On the very left hand side, you'll see these options for templates where you upload images. So if you have your own pictures that you want to post, they will be uploaded here. If you have videos, you'll upload them here. If you have audio, you'll upload them here as well. Somebody just calling me. You will upload. I was here. Upload images, videos, and audios. These are photos. Some of them are for free, and most of them are for premium. So when they say that 30 days free trial, this is what they meant. Some of the pictures here will be paid, some of them will be premium. So when you go down, you can see free. But then you'll see some of them that have a crown watermark. When you click on it, it will be premium. Another option here, you have elements in terms of lines, shapes, frames, animated stickers, charts, grids, gradients, specific designs for coronavirus, different type of elements in terms of design. So they've already been pre-made here, and then they've been uploaded here, so that you just pick whichever you want to use. You use it for your design, and then it will be it. Some of them are paid, some of them are for free. So the more you use it, you will be exposed to those kind of things. The next one is texts. So different types of text. You have the heading, subheading, the body text, different kind of formats in terms of the design purposes. So some of them are glowy, some of them are for funky kind of it, some of them are corporate design, some of them are just bold, different kind of designs. Then the next one, have music. This music, most of it is also premium. You can see pro, and then you see have those ones that are for free. So this is what they meant when they say 30 days free trial. This is exactly what they meant. But you can use it, I believe, because I've used it. I've never paid. I just I use, but I avoid those pro related things like paid versions, because I don't think I have that kind of money to keep subscribing. But it's a useful tool if you're using it for professional use and you're getting money from it. You should probably consider paying for those kind of things so that you get the best services from Canva. And then we have the next one is videos. The other one is background. So when you're designing, you'll get backgrounds and different kind of things. And then here we have folders. You can create folders and then you do the same. So when we are back on the templates. So we pick on a specific, any template you want. If maybe it's a quote, because most of this kind of, maybe you're posting headlines. Maybe depending on your setup. If you're doing a business and you want to advertise your products, you can come here, pick any design that you want that suits your business, and then you can use it. If you're doing fashion, you're doing those kind of funky things, you just come and then pick, post it there, and then you can go. So there's a lot of designs that you can choose from here. So let's say we have here this kind of design. You're promoting sales for your cookies. You just pick the design from the templates that you see here. After you pick it, you select it, and then it will automatically appear on the canvas here. So when you see the image behind, it is having those kind of intersected lines, the squares you're seeing behind there. These are watermark, and then it's telling you remove the watermark. If you click remove watermark, it will tell you purchase this picture for $1. But of course we don't want to purchase it, so we want to come to photos, and then you take any free picture here and then you put it there. So we take a picture, we put it there, and then we have you can replace this picture with anything that you want to put it. You can look for any good design that you want to say. Let's say it is a holiday in some beach you went. You just drag behind there and then it will be there. So you can say you come to the text by double clicking on the text to select, and then you can change. So you select holiday sale or holiday tour. I think that's how you write tour. And then you can, when you select, when you see the fonts are getting bigger, this is where you change the font size above here, where you're seeing the cursor hovering around. So it is 174 at this particular time. You can reduce it to 120, and then you see. So it will be holiday tour. And then you can say which place do you like to visit? I don't know. How do people post things on Instagram? But you can post anything here. I'm just giving you a workflow on how you can actually edit what you see here. So you can write holiday tour, maybe beautiful beaches in the coastal cities. African coastal cities, maybe in the African coastal cities. Yeah. So we have already changed the picture that was there. We had a lot of premium. We had a lot of was it cookies behind? That was premium rate. We just replaced it with a palm tree background, and then we have our fonts here. So let's say we want to change the font to something else. You just click on the font, come here, it's ultra light. The font family, the font type and font family is alta, not ultra, alta. So you select it, you'll find these other types of fonts here. Let's say we go for this one, you select the font that you want. Also, some of the fonts are premium, some of them are free. So you should be careful the type of font that you're using. So you look for the ones that do not have the crown. But of course, if you want that kind of premium font, just pay for it. You can choose the font that you like. Different types of fonts are here. I don't know. Maybe we go with this one. See, when you click this one, premium, it will take you here. 30 days for free. But we don't have that kind of thing. Of course, we are very broke. So we take that one. Holiday tour. Beautiful. So with that, you have made your design. Let's say, for example, you've done that. You can even come and change. You see the picture. They did advanced features on the image. You can click on the image, go to the effects. You can add the duotones. These duotones, in the future, maybe we will talk about duotones in Photoshop, the time that we'll reach there, but right now we're still on the starter. But by that time, when we reach the advanced level of design, we'll come and talk about duotones. So duotones is combining specific different colors that are almost to blend them with the image background so that it replaces the natural colors that are there. So that is the easiest explanation for it. So I like it, and we have changed, we put an effect on it, and we have our title. You can come to the elements, You choose maybe location. I don't know location. Should I see location? Yeah, you see, we just click and then the icon will be there. You just click on it and then it will appear. Or you can drag it to the canvas. So these are two ways of using it. I don't know. Maybe we should do it here. And then you can come to text. Then you can just click subheading. And then we say Lamu Island. It's beautiful, that place. Very historic, I think. For those who know Lamu, if you've never visited there, you should. It's very cultural, beautiful. I'm just doing various things here so that you can see. So this is an example of an Instagram post. Now we've designed, let's say our design is complete, and then we say, should this go up or down? Maybe there, it's okay. So we've done all this. So you want to share directly to your social media platforms, just click here. Then it will give you the social media platform that you want. If you want to download it, click here and then select the format. Now the previous video that I did, I showed you that if you want to download, it has various formats. If you want to print it, you want just standard presentation on mobile phone computers or those kind of things. I prefer, and it is also recommended, that you download on a PNG version. If you want it to be transparent, you have to have a premium subscription, so you pay for it. We're just going to download it PNG, no transparency, so you click and then everything will be there. So this is our very beautiful design. As you can see, we have finished designing. And social media post, you can post it on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. And then it is I think it's a beautiful, just tell me what you think about it. Maybe I should have done something else, but this is very nice for me. I think it's good. It's ready to be posted on Instagram, Facebook, because they accept that kind of size, 1:1, 1080 by 1080 pixels. So it's a good design. I think you can just give me your comments. You can do your designs there, just follow the steps that I used. I did an example of Instagram. You can go ahead and do an example of Facebook, an example of Twitter, or any other design that you like. Until there, we should meet in the next video so that we can talk about something else, still on this Canva, because it's still wide.